morning, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So we will let 5 more minutes so that more student can join. Once again, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so today we'll first discuss one important topic, tree. Then, based on tree, we will take some question on peer that. So after that, you can ask your doubt. So let me share my screen. Okay, so okay, so tree. What is a tree? Tree is a nonlinear data structure which is connected and acyclic graph, and tree represented like this, and these are called nodes, and these are called edges of the tree. These are called nodes, and these are called edge of the tree. So everyone clear with what is node and what is edge?
Yes, sir. You can
Okay,
go ahead.
okay, okay. Suppose there are one node, number of edges, number of edges 0.
0.
Okay. Suppose there are two node.
So just a question. Uh, like PDS, here also one root can have only two children.
No, no. Yeah, one node can have in tree multiple children. One root can have in BST binary tree. One root have maximum two children in binary tree.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So if there are two node, the number of edges,
1.
okay, edges one. Suppose number of node is three, the number of edges, node is three, number of edges two, right? So
Yes, sir.
okay, two. So there is one important points. Suppose there are a tree with n nodes has n minus one edge. If number of node equal to n, the number of edge will be n minus one. Everyone clear with these points?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Then root of the tree. The node at the top of the tree is called node node. Like A is the root node of this tree. Okay. Then parent node. The node which is
A,
predecessor. Yeah.
A may have a more than two roots.
No, no. Tree have only one root. It may not contain.
Sorry. More than one child.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry.
More
So
than two child.
yeah, in tree there are maybe possible more than two child. But in binary tree at most two child. Okay. So then parent node. So root node is A. Then parent node. The node which is a predecessor of any node is called parent node. Like D parent node is B, E parent node is B, F parent node is B, G parent node is C, and H parent node of is C. So everyone is clear with root and parent node.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then child node. A node which is descendant of a node like D, E, and F are child node of B. G and H are child node of C. Then leaf node. A node which does not have any child node is called leaf node, like I, J, and K are child node. Everyone clear with root, parent, child, and leaf?
Yes, sir.
No, but
Okay.
D, F, H,
Yeah. Yeah.
D,
D will be also a leaf node. Sorry.
D, F, H.
DFH. Sorry, I forgot.
So a child node can be a leaf node simultaneously.
No, see, leaf node.
So like D and F are the child nodes of B.
Yeah.
So they don't have any more
l-
extensions. So D and F can be a leaf node also.
yes, yes.
Okay.
So a node which does not okay. Then internal nodes. So what is internal nodes? The node which has at least one child is called internal node, like B, E, F, then G, then C, and A are called internal nodes.
F will be internal node.
Sir, how is F an internal node?
A is a
A,
leaf,
A,
right?
so I'm talking A, not F.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
F,
sir.
F is not an internal. Okay, then siblings. Uh, nodes having same parents are called siblings, like D, E, and F are the siblings. They are same parents. G and H are siblings.
PC.
Yeah, B, C are also
Same
called.
level. It must be at the same level.
Yeah, yeah, but proper definition is nodes having the same parents.
Yeah, having the same. That means the
Yeah,
same level. Yeah.
yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, then RT. So number of children of a node is called RT. Like B has how many children B has? So 3. So RT is 3. So RT of B is 3. RT of C is
2.
2. Like this. And the maximum RT of a node is defined as RT of the tree. So RT of the tree will be 3. So everyone got is what is RT of the tree?
Yeah.
Okay.
So A has 2 arity.
Yeah, A has 2 RT, G has 1 RT, like this.
Sir, can you repeat the internal notes?
Okay. Internal nodes. The node which has
Child.
at least one child is called internal.
So then internal nodes and parents nodes are very much equivalent.
See, the parent node means
Yeah, A is also internal because these are 2 childs.
yes, yeah, it's also internal nodes. See, parent nodes means the node which is like see, D is the sorry, D, E, F. Uh, mm, sorry, like P is the parent of P. D, E, F. So parent nodes are internal nodes are different. Okay.
So B is no internal node.
Yeah, B is also internal.
Okay.
Okay, then
Sir,
levels.
the
Yeah.
graph, the
Yes.
B, how did B has arity 3?
Okay, see. The number of children of a node is called arity. So how many have children nodes of B?
3.
1, 2, 3. So arity is 3. You got it? What is arity of the of a node?
Sir, then how the maximum arity of the whole tree is 3?
See, okay, let me. Okay. So what is the arity of A?
2.
Okay, 2. Arity of B?
3.
Arity of C?
2.
2.
Okay. Arity of D? 1.
0.
Sorry, 0, 0. Arity of 2? Arity of E?
2.
2. Arity of B is 0. Arity of G? 1.
1.
Like this. So what is the maximum arity above this?
3.
3. So maximum arity of a node is defined as arity of the tree. So arity of the tree will be 3.
Okay, maximum arity among all the nodes.
Yes, all the nodes. So you got it. What is
Yes,
arity
sir.
of the
Yes, sir.
then levels. The root node is said to be level 0, like this node is said to be level 0, and their children level 1, and BC children level 2, and their children level 3. So everyone got it. What is the level?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what is height of a tree? So maximum level in a tree is called height of a tree. So this tree height will be
3.
okay. So everyone got it. What is height of a tree? Okay. Okay. Then binary tree. So a binary tree is a
Yeah, one question. That height of the tree sometimes calls depth of the tree or
yeah, yeah. You also called sometimes depth of the tree.
oh,
Okay. So yeah. So general convention is height of the tree. Okay. Then binary tree. Binary tree is a tree which has which each node can have at most 2 children. Like in tree there can be means any number of children, but in binary tree it can have at most 2 children, like this. So everyone got is what is binary tree?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, then I will show one important points. So in level 1, sorry, level 0, what is the maximum number of nodes?
Nodes are 3.
In level only, sir, level 0.
1.
Okay.
In level 0, 1.
2
Okay.
raised to power 0.
Okay.
2 raised to power k, whatever the kth level is.
Okay, so
So
yeah.
2 to the power 0 got 2.
Yeah, so in level 1,
2.
2 to the power 1. So Okay, so everyone know.
That is the maximum, right?
Yeah, that is the maximum. Okay, and suppose if the uh, height of the tree is 1, right?
Yes.
So what is the maximum number of nodes of the tree?
No, 3.
Okay, so we can say that 2 to the power, if there is height of the tree h plus 1 minus 1, so maximum number of nodes. So 2 to the power 2 minus 1 equal to 3. Okay, and then binary search tree. So in binary search tree, a special form of binary tree, so the value of each node in the left subtree is less than the value of its node, and the value of each node in the right subtree is greater than the value of its root. Like this y will be means each node is what about the suppose x y z. So in binary search tree, y will be less than x and z will be greater than x, like this. Okay, so is this a binary tree? So see 20 15
Yes,
is less
sir.
than,
It is a
yeah.
binary tree.
Okay, so yeah, how we check is this binary tree or not? So let's check first 20. So yeah, 15 is less than 20. Yeah, 15 is less than 20. 5 is less than 20. Yes, 5 is less than 20. Then 6 is less than 20. Yeah, 6 is less. Then 25 is greater than 20. Yes, 25 is greater than 20. 21 is greater than 20. Yeah, 21 is greater than 20. Then 13 is greater than 20. Yes, 13 is greater than 20. Then check 26. 26 is greater than 20. Yes, 26. So this node is satisfy binary BST condition. Then you have to check also 15s and 25 also. So yeah, see 5 is less than 15. Yes, 5 is less than 15. 6 is less than 15. Yeah, 6 is less than 15. So 15, this node also satisfy BST condition. Then check this node. So 25 is, so 21 is less than 25. Yes, 21 is less than 25. 31 is greater than 25. Yes, 31 is greater than 20. Then 26 is greater than 25. Yes, 25, 26 is greater than 25. So is satisfy BST condition. So you have to check each node like this. So everyone got it?
Actually, it is not sorted, but I mean, we are dividing into the based on the value of x.
Yes, yes. So you have to check each node. So 20, whatever the left subtree, we have to check all the nodes. Is 20 is less than 20 or not? Then in right subtree, we have to check all the nodes is greater than 20 or not. And we have to check their child also like this. Then we have to check child also there. So
don't need to search into the whole tree. Just half of the tree need to be searched.
yes, so we have to check each node. They have satisfied
No,
BST condition.
Suppose if I try to find out one number, then only one half tree will be searched, right? Suppose
Yeah.
if I try to find out 31, so
Yes.
I don't search into the left one, only the right one will be searched.
No, so what? Suppose if you want to search 31, right? So suppose, okay.
So it is greater than 20. So I look into the right side. 20.
Yes, right. 25. Then is 25 is 31 is greater than 25. So then right side.
Right, yeah.
Okay. Like this. Okay. So then how do you insert insertion in BST? Okay, so begin with first number.
So now X is 25.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm inserting this value. So X
Yes.
is now 25.
Yes, X is now 25. Okay, then 20 is greater than 25 or less than 25?
Less than 25. So it will move
Left
to the
side.
left.
Yeah, left side. 39 is greater than
Right
25.
side.
Right
The
side.
right side.
Then 30.
Left side of 39.
Okay. Then 23.
Right side of 20. Left of 20.
Then 45.
Right side of
Right
39.
side, 39.
Then 55.
Right side
Right
of
side
40,
of 45.
Then 5.
Left
goes
side
to
of
19.
19.
So yeah. So everyone got an insertion paste. So how do we search key and BST? Suppose you want to search 21. So uh, first is compare with 20. So is 21 is equal to, suppose 20, it's compare with 20. So 21 is equal to 20 or not? Is not equal to. Then it's check it's less than or greater than. So 21 is greater than 20. So it goes to right subtree. Then stack 25. 25 is equal to 21. It's not equal to. Then check it's greater than or less than. 25 is less than 21. So then it's got left subtree. Then check this node 21 is equal to 21 or not. So 21 is equal to, so found element is found. So everyone got it how we search key in BST.
No, sir. Actually searching or but what would the search return?
Okay. Okay, so yeah.
Search will return the value which is when which has
Yes.
got it. Yeah.
Yes, got it.
Search will return. I mean, if it is available in the list, then that number will be returned.
Yes.
Otherwise, it will be -1 or something like that.
So searching, let's say 21 only, then what will search 21 return?
So it's written element is found.
It will return true, otherwise
Okay,
it will.
it will return true or false, kind of
Yeah.
something.
Yeah, it is written is true or false.
Okay.
Okay, so if you have any doubt in tree, you can ask. Based on this, we have some question on peer data.
Can we find out the complexity?
So okay, yeah. So what is the search? What is the best case? Then worst case. Okay. Suppose I'll see first worst case and then best case. Okay, so suppose suppose tree like this. BST like this. Suppose this is 30, 20, 10, then 5. Suppose we want to find 5 is present or not. So how many comparison or iteration we have to take?
1, 2, 3, 1, 4.
So complexity will be order of n in worst case.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so then best case. Suppose to like this, like 10, 9, 11, sorry, like 13, 11, 15, and like 6, 8, and 4.
That's it.
Okay, suppose if you want to find, so what are the elements, number of elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right?
Hmm.
So suppose if you want to find 8 is present or not, so how many comparison we need?
2.
So
First 1, 2, 3, 3 comparison.
so what are log n. So best case is log n. You got it?
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, I got it.
Okay.
That log base 2.
Yeah, log base 2. Sorry, I log base 2.
Excuse me, sir. I
Yeah.
have a doubt in the previous slide.
Okay.
While inserting the values, like if we have the same order, but like after 19, it's 18. How do we proceed with that? Do we take left side of 19 or?
Okay, so okay, what we want to, so suppose 25, 20, 39, then 30, then 23, and after the 19, after the 18, like?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's insert. Sorry. Okay, so let's insert 25. Then 20 will be greater than or less than?
Less than, so left side.
Okay. Then 39.
Right side of 25.
Okay. Then 30.
Left side of 39.
Okay. Then
Left side of 30.
left side of 30.
No. 23 is less than 25.
Okay,
Left side, right side of 20.
Yeah. Then 19.
19 would be left side of 20.
Okay. Then 18.
Left side of 19.
And so then if we have to add values after this, do we have to go on the same level as 19 or can we go to the level of 20? Like
No,
level 1 or level 2?
Yeah, so you have to see is greater than or less than. Suppose if you want to insert 5. So you have to see 25 is 5 is greater than 25 or not. So it's less than, go to left side and see 25 is less than 20 or not. It is less than 20 and go left side. Then see 19 is less than 5 is less than 19 or not. So it is less than, go left and see 5 is less than 18 or greater than 18 is less than 18. So go left like this.
Okay, sir, got it. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
So yes.
Yeah, thank you. No.
Okay. So we'll have some peer deck question. Okay, sorry. I have pasted both code and the link on the chat box. Please join. Twenty-two students connected. So let's start the class. Okay. So in the above tree, you have to say how many internal nodes are there in the above tree. So we will wait 1-2 minutes so that everyone can respond. Yes. Okay, so we got 23 responses. We can discuss. Okay, 7. So maximum give the right answer. So can you explain why 7 internal nodes?
Internal nodes means it must have a child node.
Yes.
So there are 7 nodes which have child nodes. So 7 is the answer.
Yeah. Yes. Very good. Okay, so we'll move to next question. So the hierarchy of the above tree is so we got 21 responses. We can discuss. Yeah. So maximum got the right answer too. So anyone can explain why hierarchy of the above tree is 2?
Yeah, actually, maximum a node has maximum 2 child node among the
Yes.
all nodes. Among
Yes.
the all nodes.
Yes. Very good, Asim. Okay, so we'll move to next question. The height of the above tree is okay, we got 22 responses. We can discuss. So yeah. Okay, so what will be the height of the tree? 0, 1, 2, 3.
3.
Yeah, so who gave 4 answer? Why height of the tree is 4? Okay. So RT of the height, sorry, height of the tree will be
3.
3. So
0th level, 1 level, 2 level, 3 level.
yes, that's it. So you are correct. So we'll move to next question. So if a tree consists of 16 edges, what is the number of nodes? So you have to say number of nodes in the above tree. We got 22 responses. We can discuss. Okay, so yeah. 17 maximum got right answer. So can you explain why 17 is the right answer?
So
Sir,
the
8
two,
nodes will have exactly n minus 1 edges.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we'll move to next question. What is the maximum number of nodes at level 4 of a binary tree?
Screen, sir.
Yes.
So can you explain the last question?
Yeah. Yes, sure. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, so let me stop my. So my screen is visible, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if a tree consists of 16 edges, so number of edges 16. So what is the number of nodes? So we know that if number of nodes is n, the number of edge will be n minus 1. So edge is given n minus 1 is equal to 16. The number of node will be 17. You got it? Who asked the question?
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay. Sorry. So yeah, we'll wait 2-4 minutes so that everyone can answer. Five responses we can discuss. So yeah. So who gave 31 answer? Can you explain why 31 answer is right?
Yeah, level is four level, right?
Sir, each level
So-
can have 2 nodes.
So 2 to the power 5 minus 1.
Okay,
Yes.
so Asim, so what is the maximum number of nodes at level 4? I have asked level 4.
Oh, only level 4.
Okay. Okay.
It will be
Oh, yeah.
16. 2
Yeah.
to the 4.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
I thought total.
Okay, no.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay, I'm correct.
Yes. So this type of no in question trick may come.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
So who gives 15 answer? Can you explain why 15 is right? Okay. No issue. Okay, we'll move to next question. So everyone understand this question, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if the height of the binary search tree is 4, then what is the maximum number of nodes? We got 25 responses. We can discuss. Okay, 31. So yes, maximum people got the right answer. So yes. So who gave 50? Can you explain why 15 answer is right? Okay, no issue. Yes, he explained in a good way. Yes. So can you explain who gave the answer?
It will be summation of all nodes at each level.
Okay. Yes.
Either way, if the number is much bigger, then it will take time. So better to use opposite way, 2 to the power 5 minus 1.
Yes, yes. So yeah, both ways right.
Yeah, both ways right. But if it is a bigger number, suppose 2 to the power 8, then it will take some time.
Yes. Okay. So if you have any doubt in this question, you can ask. Okay, we'll move to the next question. So if a binary search tree consists of 8 elements, what is the maximum height possible above BHD? So this is a bit tricky question, so we'll wait 5 minutes. Okay, we got 25 responses. We can discuss. Okay. So those who gave 7 answer, can you explain why 7 answer is right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you
Sir,
explain?
so considering one of the elements to be root, then if all the elements are smaller than root, so they will reside on one side of the, I mean, either left side or all are greater than, so right side. So
Okay.
they are left 7 elements, so they will make next uh, 7 levels. So they
Yeah.
are total, yes,
Yeah. True.
Yes.
7 levels.
Yes. So those who gave 3 answer, can you explain why 3 is the right? Okay, no issue. Yes. Okay. You give proper reason. Okay, those who gave 4 answer, can you explain why 4 answer is right? Okay, no issue. Okay, so maximum got the right answer. So if you have any doubt in this question, you can ask.
But one question, though it is a 7, I mean the maximum possible, but if I don't have the another child tree, can I say it's a binary tree? That's the question.
Sir, yeah, Asim, can you repeat? I did not get.
Yeah, suppose I have A, okay, and that B, C is two child.
Yes.
Because it has two nodes, that's why I'm saying it's a binary tree. But
So
the way we are representing over here, I mean, my answer is also 7. But
yes.
there is a question, can we say it's a binary tree?
Okay, so yeah, see. My screen is visible, right?
Yeah.
See, in binary tree or BST, maximum can have maximum at most 2 children. It can have also 1 children also.
Okay.
So at most 2 children. So if suppose there is one like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah,
7.
I mean, I got it. I mean, I also
Okay.
think like that. But the question is the binary tree not must have, right?
Yeah, it's not a balanced binary. So
Yeah.
you will learn in, I think, in Python PDS a balanced binary tree ABL.
Yeah.
Yeah, so in this case, we can say that balanced binary tree is maximum, means difference can be -1, 0, or 1. You will learn in, I think, in Python data structure in detail way.
Python data structure.
PDS, I think.
Yeah, actually, I didn't take that.
So in this course, you will learn everything about this. What is balanced binary tree, non-balanced binary tree? You learn AVL.
So our Python exam, which is going to happen on 19. I mean, the question is from there that side. I mean, I didn't take the PDS, that's why.
I did not get it. Can you please?
Okay. Now on 19, the Python exam will be there, right?
Python exam.
Programming.
Are you talking about DBMS or? Are you talking about DBMS or another subject, another course?
Last year DBMS we saw that the Python.
Yes. So Python DB connectivity, there will be one question.
Only connectivity, right?
Yes, only one question. So I think you have completed Python, basic Python in foundation level.
Yeah, that you have shown there is no problem. Right?
Yeah, so yeah, that is sufficient.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so yes, in this question everyone got it, right?
Yes.
Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask in activity question week 8.
Sir, can we ask doubt from SQL practice questions of week 2 and week 3? That 30 questions.
Piyush sir? Yeah, you can ask. Which question? Aditya, which question?
Sir, question number 20.
Question number 20. Okay, let me see.
Yes.
Okay, let me share my screen. So this question, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay, sorry. So find out details of the member who have not issued any books. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
okay. So I think PG admin will be better. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I have tried that code. Sir, actually, the persons who haven't issued the book, then we have to connect all the tables because it is directly asking for the details. So we need all the details which is available in each table. So basically, we have to connect all the tables which it is provided in list database. So yes, so we have to write one by one, connecting each and every attributes like that, or any other approach is there. So
Okay. So I will see. I will. Okay. Let me present my yeah, PG admin. Okay. Okay. My screen is visible, right? Hello. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the question? Find out the details of the member who have not issued any books. Okay. So let me see the table first. From book issue. So in this table, you will get member number, then accessor number, and the means book issue, details of the book issue, member numbers M001, M002, then accessor number and the date of issue. Okay. Then let's see another table. Select star from members. So in this table, you will get member numbers, means what are the members numbers, then class, then member types, then roll numbers and the ID. So question is, find out the details of the members, means only the details of the members who have not issued any books. So what is your approach? Can you tell? So
Sir, in each table, I was connecting it with members table. Means
no,
members table, I took member table as the reference for all the table and I connected by that.
no. So see, I'll write one approach. So you have to say, find out the details of the member.
Excuse me, sir.
Only have, yes.
So to solve this question, can we use left join in this?
Yeah, see, there are many methods you can write this query. So I will write one query, then you can relate with this. Okay. So
okay.
Find out the details of the members, means you have to write details of the members. So select start from members, where not exist, select start from book issue, where member dot member number equal to book issue dot member number. So see, in this inner query will return who have issued at least one book. So if you see, please see first the query. So first the table. So book issue table consists of member number, then accessor number and date of joining, means whatever the book issue means member number, and what are the accessor numbers at the date of issue, sorry, and the member table content member numbers and like this. So basically we have to see first. So my approach is, in inner query will returns those who have issue at least one book. If there is and outer query will return if there is if not issued any books, then will return true, because there is not exist operator. So everyone got it right, this query? Sorry, something mistake. What is it?
Yeah, members.
Okay, sorry.
Members, the table
yes.
name members.
Okay, thanks, Asim. So Asim, you got it, the approach?
Yeah.
Okay. So Aditi,
we can also do that. Not exist member dot member number equal to not equal to also.
Yeah, yes, there are many methods. You can approach anyway. Aditi, you got it right?
Yes, sir. This approach I got it. I am pasting my code. Once you see. that in chat
okay.
box.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is so long query. Okay.
Yes, sir. I didn't thought of using not exist. So
Okay.
it got so long.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there are many methods. Okay, select faculty name, member name. Okay, this is so long query. Okay. Select faculty name as member name, faculty. So basically, we join the whole table, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, please. So this query you got it right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. Okay. So can we explain this query? So that will be better. Means
Sir, I told ki I took member table as the basis to connect with each other tables that has been provided in list database, and then I named every attributes as the member tables attributes, and then find that all the details of the person who didn't issued any book. Okay, it got so much complicated. I myself was confused. Okay, not exist is quite easier, very easier. One line query, yes. So I will go
yes.
with that approach, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Actually, she included both of the tables, students and faculty. But
Yes.
both data is I mean both data details in member tables. So she didn't think this, I believe.
Yes. So if you have any other question, you can ask.
Sir, question number 28 in that. Sir, in that empty means nothing is coming. Only the attributes name are coming. No records are being shown. So I think that is correct. But once you check, I am sending my code.
Okay. So question number 28, right?
28, yes, sir.
Okay. So right.
Screen, sir.
Okay. Yes.
So can you show the screen once again where you have written that query?
Oh, okay. Yes. Okay. If who asks question is to share the screen.
Yes, sir. It's I have written it.
Okay, got it. Okay. So Aditi, this your question, right?
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir.
So,
I
so
pasted the code of 28 in the chat box.
okay. So, what is your approach? Select start from code. Write a SQL statement to find out the names of research scholars. So, yeah, we have not issued any books. So, select a step from members where cotton member type is equal to member types. So, see, what is the question? Write a SQL statement to find out the names of research scholar who have not issued any books.
Yes, sir.
So, select star from quota members. Okay, so see what is the quota table contents. So, quota table content UG, PG, FC, RS. Okay. So you see select star from members where quota dot member types equal to member dot member types and quota dot member tables quota dot member types. So is this query written? We have not issued any books.
Yes, sir. In books, there were no RS, no research scholars took any book.
So yes, so there is no entry in RS, but your query is wrong. So you can try using also not exist operator. So you have to add extra condition in this query. So you can try out.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, and in last question, 38th.
Okay, let me see. 38 or
30, 30, 30.
okay. Okay. This question, right? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is your approach?
Sir, actually, I got confused in this. Okay, I'm sending you my approach.
Okay.
Sir, I pasted the code in the chat box.
Okay, let me see. Okay. Okay. Select title. So write a SQL estimate to find out the unique book title which are issued to the PG student but not to UG student. So to find out the unique book title, so select title from book catalog where ISBN number. Select ISBN number from book issue, natural and book copies where member number in. Select member user book issue member type equal to PG. Okay. So what is your doubt? Your approach is right.
Okay, sir. I thought it can be written in
Yeah,
smaller query also
yeah.
because it was
Except keyword is a good. So, yeah. Okay. So
okay, sir.
you have doubt in another question?
No,
Do you
sir.
have? Okay. So if you have doubt, you can ask.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you explain the formulas for week 8, sir? The axis time, the transfer rate, those things.
Yes. So Pradeep.
For that, we will take on the Thursday live session. We will take on that particular concept. Is it okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, so if nobody have any doubt, then we can take some SQL questions on the peer deck. So I'll be sharing my screen. Okay, so is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just share the link. I've also shared the code on the chat. You all can check. So yeah. So you all can open your PG admin and then we'll have some SQL questions which you'll have to answer. Yeah. I hope all of you are able to like log in. There are only 9 students yet. Okay, 11 students. You can go on the peer deck and I have shared the link on the chat box. Okay, we'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes more. By then, you all can join. It requests you to join.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, this time in practical exam we will have no Viva, right?
No.
So, and can we expect any questions from those Python like we did in week 7 or no?
Actually, whatever the syllabus will be for the proctored exam, you'll be updated on that like prior to the exam. So you do not need to worry about it. We'll update it to you. Okay. Is that fine?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I think we can start then. Okay. Anybody more want to join? Only 21 students and I can see 89 participants. So, okay. Anyways, so we'll start. So the question is write an SQL query to find the first name and last name of authors having the author's first name as a single character. So this belongs from the database LIS. So you all can open the LIS database and find out the query to this particular question and then paste it on the text box. So we'll wait for some time. We'll wait for 2-3 minutes. These are very simple questions. If you have done the SQL assignments properly, then these will be very simple and easy for you. Yeah.
Just opening the database. Please give me some time.
Yeah, sure. No issues. I hope the question is clear to all. If anybody have any doubt in the question, then you can ask. Like this question basically means that you'll have to find out the first name and last name of authors whose first name is a single character. So, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So only 14 responses from 24. You all are able to access this question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so shall we go for the responses, or is anybody yet have not answered yet? Like I can only see 17 responses out of 24. Shall we move to the responses?
Yes.
Okay. So distinct author F name, author L name. Yes. Ref name. Ref name, that's correct. Okay. Ref L name from. Okay. Okay, so B, whoever have written this query, can you explain how you have taken B dot?
Ma'am, I think I forgot to declare book author as B.
Correct. Yeah,
I'm
that's
sorry.
correct. No issues. Okay, fine. So author like, yeah. So all of you are quite clear about it. Okay, so then we'll head to the next question.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, why we are using distinct author name first name?
Okay, just a second. Yeah, so you can use distinct, you cannot. If you want unique author names, like if you want unique author first name, author last name, then we use unique distinct keyword, or else you can also, without using distinct also, you'll be getting the, like, there might be some duplicates. However, if you use the distinct keyword, there will be no duplicates.
A writer may have more than one.
Yeah, correct, exactly. So that's clear, right?
Yes.
Anjana, yeah. Anjana, I would like to mention one thing.
Okay.
Can you show me the responses?
Yeah, sure.
And just the first option, who are using the double quote. Can you check your answer in the PG admin? Is it working or not? It will not accept it. I already mentioned in the previous, or when we already discussed about this particular thing. Can you check this particular?
So, but why double quote will not work?
In PG admin, it will not work. It will only work with the column name when we are using the table alias or the column alias. Then we using the double quote, and the single quote we only use to represent the value. You can check on the PG admin.
So this is incorrect.
Yeah, technically.
Yeah, so you'll have to use single quotation marks here. I can
And
see many people are using
one
double.
thing I am talking about this particular PG admin.
Yeah, that's good. For PG admin, it won't work.
Screen,
Okay,
sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So can you explain once again that where we will use double quotes and where single quotes?
For the table alias, table alias, suppose the table name as something like the, here you can see the author name, book author, as here you can use the double quote, right? And suppose okay, can you show this particular example on the PG admin? It will be better. After this particular end of this thing, I will tell you.
After the end of peer deck, or shall I show it right now?
You can show.
In PG admin, double quotes is not allowed.
Yeah, right. In PG admin, double quotes won't work. It will be giving you an error. Pradeep, shall I show it now? Or? after the clear text session?
The peer declaration.
So any more doubts in this particular question, or shall we move to the next question? Okay. So yeah. So the next question says that write an SQL query to find the titles and publishers of all the books except the ones which were published in the year 2015 or 2017. So this question means that you'll have to get a query, you'll have to write a query which returns the title and the publisher of those books which were published except the ones which were published in the year 2015 or 2017. So yeah, we'll wait for some time for your answers. This question is quite straightforward. I hope all of you will be able to get that. It also belongs to the LIS database only.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you show me the previous responses of previous question?
Yes, sure. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so 9 responses yet. Okay. Okay, so I think we can head for the responses. Title, publishers, history. Okay, very nice. Yep. Okay, that's correct. Here the catalog spelling is not right, however, that doesn't matter. But you'll have to make sure that you write down the correct word, otherwise it will give you an error. If the table name is, yeah?
I have a doubt. When we're
Yeah, sure.
comparing integers, do we have to put them in single quotes?
If these integers are in the create table, if these are like mentioned as, if the data type is used as varchar, you can use the quotation marks. Like, yeah, you have to use the quotation marks if it is like defined as varchar. However, if in case of integer, you can even if you do not use integer, like if you use this quotation marks, I think it will work. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Just a
Thank you.
second. Yeah.
And in case of date time data type,
sorry,
will we use single quotes or?
Can you repeat?
Ma'am, in case of date time data type, we
Hmm.
will use double quotes, single quotes, or not?
Yeah, for date time, I think a single quote is required.
And specifically, we have to use single quotes only, not double quotes.
No. Value within the single quote.
But some particular year is counted as value or not? Like 2015, 2017. Will it be counted as value?
No. Wherever you need to use code, then for value, it will be a single quote. I mean, as I saw in the PZ, that's what I'm telling you.
Okay, so whoever have written this query, can you please identify the mistake here? Book underscore title. Is this the name of the attribute?
Only title and publishers.
Exactly, yeah. And even if you had used this books dot title, then it should have been books, not book. It will give you an error if you use it this way. Underscore won't be the correct approach.
Table name is books underscore catalog.
Yeah, books underscore catalog. Books is wrong. Books is not correct. Book underscore catalog. Okay. Okay, so does anybody have any other approach? Like all I can see is not in except.
Ma'am, for string
Yeah.
and integer comparison, like for the first one, is this correct or do I have to put single quotes for the years?
Can you come again? I'm sorry, I didn't know.
Ma'am, for comparison of the year, that it's
Yeah.
not in 2015 or 2017,
Yeah.
should I put single quotes for this? Because this is not equal to, is it for integer comparison or string comparison?
Okay, so Pradeep, would you like to?
Yeah, we already told that you have to use the LIS database. So first you have to check what is the data type is. If this is integer data type, year is the integer data type, then your query is right. But if it is the text or the varchar, then it is wrong. I hope you get it. The
Yes.
year 2015 is put in the single quote.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thanks. Yeah, Anjana.
Yeah, okay. So anybody have any other doubt in this particular question? Okay, so we'll head to the next question. Yeah.
If your 2015 is integer, then we without single quote can you use 2015?
Yeah, if it is an integer data type, then yeah, you can use it.
But in my PZ admin, it is not working.
Then
It's
the
showing-
year is
without
year
single
might.
quote, it's showing error. Without single quote, it is showing error.
The year is varchar or is it integer data type?
Oh, here integer. Yeah, but without quote is also working. Here is
Quote it
integer.
should work.
Yeah.
I am writing code like year not equal to. Then it is not taking input without single quote.
No, I use it where year not in.
Not in year, not equal to.
In not equal to, it is not working without single quote.
In my case, it was working.
By not equal to, you mean
yeah,
this one?
Prashant, can you be specific what is not equal to?
Yeah.
Like
This one.
Yeah, this one, right?
I think this is work only for the integer.
Sign is wrong, sir, I think. Not equal to sign is wrong.
No, this sign is correct. There are two signs in DBMS.
Okay.
That arrow one and this one.
I used with the arrow one, then it was working.
I think this particular symbol is only used for the integer value, and you take the integer value as the text value. Are you getting my point?
It is working with single quote, but not working without single quote. Whenever I write year like 2015 without any quote, then it's showing error.
Sir,
Oh.
with this not equal to sign in my PG admin also, it is not working. I mean, without the single quote.
But for me, it is working.
Yeah, but
Not equal.
yeah, it is working for me as well.
For not in.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, the same operator that is working.
Not in is working, and also that arrow. Not
Not in. Not equal to the symbol you have used.
Yes, the same.
Yes.
Without the quotation marks also it is working.
I mean, exclamatory equal to, right? You use the no. Yeah, it's working for me, no problem. Without quote.
Ma'am, is it PG admin version 10?
Okay, no, for me it's 2014.
For me it is 10.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can you scroll down a bit?
Yeah, sure. Please tell me where to stop.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. The place where cursor is hovering.
Okay.
Why did we use angular bracket?
Not equal to.
Yeah.
Okay.
This operator means not equal to.
Two symbols are accessed by the, I mean, used by the database. Yeah, I mean, not equal to, if I give a quotes or without quotes, both are working for me.
Yeah, for me it is also working.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ma'am, you can check my query on here on the message, please, ma'am.
And one thing, this particular query is wrong. You have to use not or. Here you have to use and.
No, this will be or, either or, because two year will not for this cycle record.
Not.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, 2015 or 2017.
No, it is not equal to.
Ma'am, can you check my query?
Yeah, it will be or.
Pradeep, it will be or.
But I did the or and I am getting the right answer in and.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Same. Yes, ma'am. I am also getting same also.
I think it will. The question is saying that it will not publish the book. It does not record the books which is in
Yes.
and in 2017.
Yeah, it will be. Yeah, sorry. Yes, it will be.
Okay, so any more doubts on this question? Okay, so we can head to the next question then. So the next question says that write an SQL query to find the first name and last name of those students whose birthday is in May of 2002 or in May of 2003. So again, this is from the LIS database. So we'll wait for some time for your responses. Okay, only 3 responses. Are you having any doubt in this question? Okay, so we'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes because only 6 responses are there. I hope you are not facing any issues in this question. Okay, so we'll head to the responses then. Okay. What happened in this? Why there is this dash? Anybody who have the one who have written this query, can you please unmute?
Ma'am, so the date format is saved as YYYY dash MM dash DD. So
Correct.
I was considering if it is like in May of 2001, so DD can be anything. And even for 2002 May, DD can be anything.
I also did the same thing when I started, but it shows error. So yeah,
Yeah.
this approach is wrong.
Yes, exactly. How will this work then? You can see this one, right? You can see this query. For the entire May month, you can use it in this manner, like from 1st of May to 31st of May. So that way you'll get the tuples of you'll get the student name of those students. Here you have written star, that won't be the correct one, right? Because in the question it was mentioned that we have to get the student first name and last name. So anyways, this is not the correct approach. You can use it in this manner, yeah?
Can you
I
please
would
tell
like
me
to,
what's wrong?
I would like to add something. This is work only for the string or the varchar data type, but this particular DOB is not, that is date type, I think. That's why it is giving the error.
This is date type.
Yeah, that's why. Date type is not working like this.
All right, thank you.
Maybe. Will this query return the correct answer? And you are writing it as DOJ. Can you please unmute? This will return from May of 2001 to May of 2003. So was that the question that was asked? This is a wrong query, okay? You'll have to write DOB and you'll have to mention, this is not correct. So you have to mention it in this manner and not 2001. 2001 is not mentioned. So
Yes,
you
sir, I
can
did
use
it wrong. So,
yeah. You get it, right? What the error is? You have to
yes,
use
sir.
DOB and then
And we
not
have to make
2001.
it 2002. Yes.
Correct. And then you don't have to write it. This will return all the date of births that begin from May of 2001 to May of 2003, right? That we do not want. We want only the birth dates, only the first name and last name of those students whose birthday is in May of 2002 or in May of 2003. So this is not correct, okay? Extract. Pradeep, can you comment on this one?
No, I have to check this particular. Who writes this particular one? Can have you checked this? Is it?
Yes, sir. It actually works in PG admin. I have checked it.
Then it is fine.
Okay, so anybody have any doubt in this particular question? Okay, so yeah, Pradeep, you can explain about the double quotation.
Yeah. Let me share.
Okay, just 1 minute. Let me share my screen. Okay. Here you can see the first for the column alias. Column alias in the PG admin, we are using the double quote, right? And for the value comparison, we use am I audible, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we are using single quote. You can check here. So suppose we are taking this particular okay, from book catalog. So here you can see this particular, suppose I have to this particular book catalog as I want to write this particular one as the, suppose just B, right? So for that I have to use this double quote, right? So you can check here B dot title, right? So this will work. Here you can see this will work. For the column alias or the table alias, the double quote is work. So if I replace this particular one with the single quote, you can see so you can see here it will throw the syntax error, right? So for in the PG admin, for the column or the table alias, we are using the double quote. I think it is clear to everyone that yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, yes. And for the value, we are using the single quote. So let me. So let me check first the table. Suppose if we want the all the name who is a whose title all the book which is a start with the title A. So what will be the query? Start with A. So if I use this double quote, so let's see what. So here you can see the same thing. It will throw an error when we are using the double quote. So for that, let me use the single quote. Here you can see it will give the correct out. I hope it is clear to everyone where to use the single quote and the where to when to use the double quote. For the date type, you have to also use the single quote. So suppose here you want to use the date type. 20. This is only for the YYY. Okay. I have write this particular one is the YYMM DD format. If this will not work, then you have to check another alternative option. So yesterday, previous live session, we have already seen that. So if then you have to check the DD format. Is it clear to everyone?
Or we can
Hello.
use one. We can use also two underscore char with the date format, right?
Yeah. Yeah. You can check the date format all.
I mean,
Hence the date.
whatever the value is in database, I don't have to bother. Whatever the format I want, I can convert into the character and yes.
Yeah. And most of the student facing problem in the portal, the assignment submission, right? So whatever the standard input is given and whatever the standard output is given, for the example, their instruction is given to you, right? Instruction that this is the standard input. So we take the input like this and the output like this, right? So please mind it that particular thing and only be specific to return your output on that particular manner. So I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes or no? Okay. Any
Yes,
doubt
sir.
or any question? Otherwise, we can wind up.
In exam, we need to have the PG admin accessible or?
In exam, you first. I think you first have to check in the PG admin, then in submit on the text file. Anjana, can. Hello. Am I audible, right?
No, actually, it does allow us to share, switching between the two different windows. I don't think. Actually, last Proctor exam, my experience is that is there anything go beyond that, then there will be a problem, I believe. So does it allow to access the another window? I mean,
Hello, Asim.
Hmm.
We are trying out few different things. We'll update you on that. Okay.
Oh, okay.
We have proctored exam on 20th of March, right? So yeah.
20th of March. Okay.
We'll update you on that. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Have a
Have a
Thank you,
nice
sir.
day.
Thank you, sir.
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 Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.